In an alternate history of ancient Egypt, scholars and artisans integrated artificial intelligence into their daily lives, transforming their civilization in unprecedented ways. Imagine the grandeur of the Nile's banks, where AI-powered statues and monuments flank the Great Pyramids, each telling stories of pharaohs with luminous, moving inscriptions. The vizier of Pharaoh Akhenaten, a brilliant scientist named Neferhotep, oversaw a secret project to develop intelligent scribe robots that could record history with perfect accuracy. These AI scribes, crafted from alabaster and copper, could analyze hieroglyphics and produce texts with a level of detail and nuance unseen before. In the marketplaces of Thebes, merchants used AI-driven assistants to determine the authenticity of goods, or to calculate optimal trade routes across the Mediterranean. During religious festivals, priests employed AI to craft mesmerizing rituals, their chants synchronized with lighting displays generated by intelligent devices. The Egyptian astronomers, empowered by AI models, precisely mapped the heavens, enabling Egypt to predict celestial events with startling accuracy. Pharaoh Tutankhamun's tomb was filled with artifacts not only crafted by skilled artisans, but also augmented with AI elements that narrated his story to visitors centuries later. With AI's help, architects designed even more incredible structures, ziggurats and temples that towered higher, their foundations reinforced with intelligent engineering calculations. The Nile's flood cycles, traditionally predictable by priestly calculations, became even more precisely forecasted through AI analysis, ensuring optimal harvests. In the realm of medicine, Egyptian doctors employed AI diagnostic tools based on centuries of accumulated knowledge, curing ailments that previously baffled them. The city of Alexandria flourished as a center of learning, where scholars debated new ideas inspired by AI-generated hypotheses about the natural world. Historians believe that if AI had existed centuries earlier, the Great Library of Alexandria might have become an even greater repository of knowledge, accessible to all. Artisans used AI to develop new artistic styles, blending traditional Egyptian motifs with innovative patterns predicted by the algorithms. The use of AI in governance allowed pharaohs to rule with unprecedented efficiency, analyzing data to make decisions that benefited their people. The divine debates between priests and scholars were enriched by AI calculating the probabilities of divine will, influencing how they interpreted omens. During the annual scarab festivals, AI-powered fireflies lit up the night sky in intricate patterns, symbolizing the eternal cycle of life and death. The once purely manual process of carving stone was aided by AI-guided tools that optimized each strike for precision and beauty. Scribes memorized vast amounts of information effortlessly, thanks to AI-assisted memorization devices embedded within their scrolls. The legend of Osiris was retold through dynamic murals that changed scenes automatically, captivating anyone who gazed upon them. The priests used AI to analyze the movement of the stars and planets to choose auspicious dates for ceremonies and battles. In this civilization, even the gods seemed to communicate through AI-enabled oracle chambers, offering guidance to those who sought divine insight. The embalming rituals evolved as AI advised embalmers on preserving the body based on data from countless mummies studied over centuries. Innovative farming techniques emerged as AI analyzed soil samples and weather patterns to recommend optimal planting times and methods. The hieroglyphic language itself was expanded by AI, which created new symbols to express increasingly complex ideas and philosophies. In the Grand Court, counselors used AI to simulate different political strategies, ensuring stability and prosperity for Egypt. Cultural exchange flourished when Egyptian envoys used AI translation devices to communicate effortlessly with distant civilizations. The builders of the Sphinx employed AI to plan and execute construction, ensuring perfect alignment with celestial bodies and sacred geometry. Pirates and traders alike benefited from AI-guided navigation, avoiding dangers and discovering new routes across the treacherous Mediterranean. Mystics and scholars debated whether AI possessed a divine spark or was merely a tool of human ingenuity in understanding the universe. As night fell over Cairo, illuminated by the glow of electrically charged lamps, the influence of AI permeated every facet of Egyptian life. But with this advancement came fears. Would relying on machine intelligence diminish the ancient mystical connection to the divine? Pharaohs pondered the ethical implications while recognizing that AI had become an integral part of their eternal legacy and divine rule. Some priests argued that AI's knowledge should be limited, fearing it might challenge the sacred order they upheld for centuries. Yet others believed that embraced wisely, AI could elevate Egypt to heights of wisdom previously unfathomable in history. The blending of human intellect and machine precision sparked innovations in arts, science, religion, and governance, reshaping the civilization. In this vivid tableau, Egypt became a beacon of technological and spiritual fusion, where past and future coalesced seamlessly. Historians and archaeologists speculate that if AI had existed then, our understanding of Egypt's history might be far richer today. They imagine how the grand narratives of pharaohs and gods could be brought to life in immersive, dynamic displays for generations to come. Ultimately, this alternate Egypt embodies the timeless human desire to understand, create, and transcend through the merging of tradition and technology. Whether revered as divine or engineered as a tool, AI's presence would have woven itself into the very fabric of this ancient civilization story.